Hello, my beautiful viewers. Today we are going to be trying something a little bit different. So I don't know if you guys have heard of this show called American Ninja Warrior, but they have this thing called the warped wall. Here, I should probably turn this down. Yeah. So they have this thing called the warped wall, and whenever you finish the course, you have to finish the warped wall to finish the course. And I thought, since we're starting it off, might as well start it off with an American car. This is an American, by the way. This is Japanese. Still, though, we're starting it off. Let's go. We're gonna try and climb this entire thing. Yeah, I figured. Okay, let's go. Let's go backwards. You know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna go off the ramp. Pleasant flight, thank you. Let's try to go nose first. Yes, nose first. Yes. Oh. I still kind of did it. Next car, please. Let's actually go with a real American car. Let's go with the Barstow. Get in the Barstow. All-wheel drive race. Let's see how this does. How you guys doing today, by the way? Or tonight? Well, depending when you're seeing this video. But how you guys doing today? Or tonight? I'm doing pretty good. I've gone into scootering, which is pretty fun. Let's talk a little ALS. Let's try this. It's not even gonna make it to that part, is it? Oh? Oof. Can I make it? Nope. I'm gonna troll you guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh darn it, I pressed the wrong button. Let's try this one more time. Yeah, this is just gonna be a short video for today. La 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 la. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it. Let's do a different car. La 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 la. Corvette? I say we go with the Corvette. For the Corvette, is there a drag version? No. For the Corvette, let's go with the Pizza Vet. Let's see how quick this thing can go up. Performance class 9. Okay. I don't actually know how well this is gonna perform, because if it has a performance class of 9, that's a big number for a car. Oh, where's the design? Oh, whatever. Guaranteed, it will not make it past that like line right up there. Guaranteed. Oh boy. new car. I don't know why I decided to do the Corvette, but it's terrible. La 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 la. The BeamNG 200EX overdrive? Let's try this. In case you don't know, this is a mod where it basically makes the 200BX all electric, and I love it. So yeah. Performance class of 12. Oh. Oh, let's send it off the ramp. Or not. You see, I have some hopes for this car. I think it can actually make it. Let's try it one more time. It's actually accelerating. Could this be the car? No, 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 no. Come on. Don't fail on me. No, no, no. Ah, failed on me. Oh, guess we can take it off the ramp. Oh, I think it's gonna make it. It's not gonna make it. Oh no. Or it is. I made it. Look at that happy smile. Oh, the camera angle's all messed up. This car can make it. I'm gonna make sure it does. This car will make it. I'm very determined right now. Come on, are you serious? Oh, time to go backwards. Or not. This car is gonna make it. I don't care what you say, it's going to. Just gonna move it up there. I have an idea. What if I like put it against the wall? Would that help? Oh, my wheels are messed up. I don't think this car can actually make it. Just watch this car fall. Oh, it kind of landed. Hey, I landed it. Alright. There's one car. I just have to biggest feeling that it's gonna make it. Let us try the Bronco Moonhawk. Not just any Moonhawk though. The Moonicorn. It's gonna be the last car that we used. Let's do it. Cam block, yeah. I'm tired and I wanna go to bed. Actually, no, that's a weird statement. Let's talk about ALs. Come on. I think it's gonna make it. No, don't slow down. It's right there. I will do this. We're off to a much better start. Last round was kind of a fail. No way I'm stopping now, boys. No way. American Ninja Warrior, you get 2 strikes. You're making the first. You're making the second. That's how life goes, boy. And just for Ken Block being able to do this, we're gonna do some donuts. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.